this is 𝐏𝐚𝐲 Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this series where we're gonna see how to make a footer section. Now, having navigation menu is extremely important. Similarly, having a footer section for your website is also important. Now, if you're somebody new and don't know what is footer section, let me explain that to you. It lies on the bottom of your website, like extreme bottom, and it has all your links, all your privacy policy and everything, and also your social media links over there, and how to reach to your office or reach out to you, your email, everything lies over there, right? So because of that, your footer section is very important. So one must know like how to make a proper footer section which makes your website more authentic and beautiful. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? Also, one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code, my friends. We have our simple HTML boilerplate ready. We will write one class as footer. Inside that we will write another class. Now inside that we will write another class called as container. We will write one more div with the class as row. Inside that we will have one more class called as footer column. We will write footer dash col. I will write h4 as company, and inside that I will write ul tag, and inside that ul tag again we will target our menus. We will say about us, our services, privacy policy and affiliate program. Now my friends, after doing that, I will select the whole footer column section and copy it and paste it again, and there we will have our get help option. Like in a website there is more than just navigations menu. Like in a bigger website you have FAQs, you have like shipping, returns policy, order status, all of those things you must have in your footer section. So for that reason we are adding them as well here. Now just like we copied and pasted this particular section, we will paste it again because we want our online shop, and there we will mention what kind of products we sell, what are the categories of the products, we have it here. And again we will write one div whose class name should be same as footer column, but this will be little different because here we will have our social media icons. Okay, and here in the h4 we will write follow us, and then we will make another div whose class name will be social links. Now inside that I will list all my social icons. So my friends, we are done with the HTML part. Now let's quickly see how to style them. So as usual, I will say my margin should be 0, my padding should be 0, and my box sizing should also be a border box. So here I will target my container and I will write my width should be 1170 pixels. A background color, then I will target my UL and say list style as none. And we will also give it some padding in the footer, and its background should also be similar one. And then we will target our class as footer column. Then we will give some width and padding. And here we will target all our H4 and we will style them. And why I am using this before, because we want that underline to beautify our H4. So for that reason I am using this before. Why I said not last child? Because I don't want the margin bottom as this. I don't want to put margin bottom to my icons, right, to the social icons. I just want that first three rows should only have the margin bottom, not the last one. Okay, now I will target the rest of them. Now here whenever somebody will hover on it, its color should be white and padding should be left. So somebody will hover on it, it goes to the left side, right? So that's why I have told it should go to the left. Now finally we will select our social icons. We'll give it some background color and border radius as 50% so that we can get a little round thing behind them. But why is it not working? Okay, we have not targeted them properly. Maybe that is why they are not working. Or now it's time to make it. Now when we'll hover, it will transform into this. Now it's time to make it responsive. So my friends, we are ready with our footer section and it looks great. According to me, I found it really cool. Let me know what do you think about this, and also if you have any doubt or any suggestions for the future videos, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear you all. And bye bye. Have a great evening.